road no so Cape Coast Takwari road amina e na omochi omo me say ye ya chin na Sammy wo no ye fa the Shankiki 30 years e na gun it down but he been so two others no managed to escape on a motorbike, but a blue motorbike was discovered from the scene by the police operation. Eti ba kun ayaka no mkochi no ama no boa am investigation akoso e bra omko wura omochi ba ko ne call conference no they found one live and one spent AK-47 ammunition, a live tortoise as it dia onwuye and a talisman one live and one spent AK-47 ammunitions, a live tortoise and a talisman. Enti the other on the suspect no the friend Inus Afuseni what 25 years because you rule parliament but your higher the suspect no was the friend Inus Afuseni or 25 years now now or hide out from kochi no. Enti say the one won the police hospital aje mu no Panina of free muno, Rachas, Quachi Ejako, 61 years. Aba, or Benajuma, to turn near my city and Wako. Ghana for me no more. Yet this Kama will say, will see that man, and would this cano. Muna, when you walk and come on, I can't you. Yet this Kama, I had money here because buying 12 years, man. As more hinty, or not creating this kind of Facochino. You bought Takwa the police for Abaso. You bought a crass swat, and most of your bomb Abaso, and after secondary police for so. You bomb Abaso. Police commander Orajiman opani why there wabo ho so nenso koso aka ho yenim se nyame ade wo de nyame so wo mu a odu yie pa na so police adwuma de ye fa so for sem mam police ni bia that's of sem bia no ene ma fa na se you need to be radical into opani keka ho na takwa de ma ye help na ene ma nkonanim empeni for hane ora abaka abeka yensa sanso ena Michael Dadzi on the first person there oba ha ene efoima enso be kan nsa ye bedi nkomo na ya hwese ne neman ekro nkomo ye bedi ne mienu COVID-19 about 2000 vaccines in the northern region to expire tomorrow china afei the toss mina Kufuor has failed woefully. CBP reports afei ora then in the MPP so say Nana Dankwa Kufuor's performance as a president is very poor and some mienu ne kabom na yedi hu nkomo anything how is on oh za and then I hold their buy anything abusia yehia misala ka ha efoima ha afi bi nia dati enso apiemu yehwe ye bre na 42 into 1 yakọ yanim na yanim panimfo eni komo ora baka
yes
akwaba
yenia
bakode
once a divine selection akin na on easy but I believe with God all things are possible it be too funny or cotton yamaba wamba maybe accident might happen then you're looking as a baby so or target one what you won't go through which is our own container waiting I survive now academy so human they need to give thanks and praise to the Almighty and that is what we have been doing all the time. That's something
but I say you know before money old you when you see na ntemage ura Isa Fuseni Aisha Baba Ali no me count na Alaji Kamal aha ya shimu nyina happy Ramadan Mubarak ora chawan yeni nkomo just 1 minute for prove na chawan o so approve dada
the issue have been discussed already because from the way I come on your NDC now the fight the motion approve papa
dem sabaka kan
approve
everywhere dem sabaka kan ya wele ngasi nyame agbo ho ban na ye serious this onkodo mbo ye ho ban na ya sere president so there on create an environment in especially insecurity because in the obi alipoya ni origin hu bi na ndi de ya lo se de ma mi bi anu so aso akọ goma ko tra do ko Accra na wodi moto wada ko jinis kama thank God the driver no for the ball you funu ma ndi waiting watch you funu so it is becoming yes surprise Akufo and now breeding yeji interior minister defense minister national security minister nto chede modo ye bia ye rama no ye who the reason yes no for nancy from na nyema le ay moti
Evo.
Wofa.
Yeni komo ya kwa ba.
Me jo so pa.
Bibi abokode.
Na me adom, bibi ai kama.
Na Christ ase.
Me chia wanso. Na me chia empenfo mo he nyina. Me chia mpipi amane ku na na do danko akufu ado. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ye maame nom ye papa no ye nuanom Muslims ashom fasting as I think say na day 3 or so. Yes re Nyankopon say omo ahonten. Na senior MPP ayane the political party after 92 yetumi Ghana the highest office on the land. Upa MPP ye pen yetumi make sure say you have the Bible and Quran. Or the presidency.
Okay.
That is MPP for you. That should tell you say we believe in the religious balance. What you say? Enti baby Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia will be an Michel Papa. You see, Mami can quickly about inscription so like some cram.
Just
Oh,
mama
1 minute.
Just a minute.
Just a cram.
Me started with seconds.
Oh, we are about no. You don't want me to talk. Now who can I never say na makasa?
Okay, go ahead.
Let's see one more topic.
Your friend is saying
One more topic about
Nyankopon na wa jigana. Minua, dey tell me kasa ni say boni na esi na so fa mo aya tro mo ni na yisu moto. Entina ka Nyankopon tie na ka John Mahama ebe o legalize okada. Na ka ukura no we ka ya ba be proud o studio ha.
You feel me so?
What you say?
You feel me so nko.
Boy obi be di boni a no akori so okada. Now see any political party a so mo no mo ye mature. And I'm see that be obi do okada moto ekum nipa ye njintum. Ama mo dik some manifesto mo kroma.
Na say yin tumi
Now, that should tell you say, yan gentle pon ehun kakra wo ho no. I ti say na wi unum wi organa hanu a watumra. What ya say nti obi ompo unum wi a odisie. Enti wo ti say yenya president flag bearer bi o so mi ba meligalazi wi a. Wo be say wi fo no dodo na ma mo tadom no. Wo pray so.
This is a black rasta day.
What you say? Enti no.
On this one dey kaka.
Ya be sre a police for ye adwuma. Se nya wo bo ma ba so yi. Sisi ya na be ya ka moto no. E ka menko a na ka mama nipa tutu. Enti na moto so.
Okay.
E betumi aboa kakra. The next thing is say yeni ye adwuma a wo fa nkofo adwuma mu no. Per information eba concerning the arrest of some of being alleged for now investigation course just say one of the guys one of the victim na asema to omo no adwuma na omo nkofo na omo afọ mo ye adwuma no ba ko na ma tip of say your boss ekoyiska enti wo he adwuma na obi afa wo adwuma mu a na what to me
information concrete.
And I say alleged, that is what.
Okay, you've been hearing.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So if let's assume say it is an alleged allegation, whatever, but to my phone,
Young fan lawyer.
young fan is say, we should take. But young fan say, you don't be this. Oh yeah, to my and young come be brina na say within war because. Ake ya titiri say obi wo na on office e na tumi ma feel say papa we ko yisi kase
tu ko jema ni
mama intinu ye ni na nya careful
ye ko ye ni bisa question ma we dey menya no moto you say ka don mama legalize e before say mo so che moto ma assembly members
no oya assembly members po won ko on prime minister nankasa e people ko prime minister nankasa no po won want to see delegate
maybe nim sa
mi ba ko ho
moto MPP yente moto mimi ya we say e ba ya ni say President Akufo-Addo 2000 moto every ma district head directorate so mo fanye adwuma and to ekwa so Ghana Health Service adebo assembly members na na do promote mo so mo fanye adwuma unless NDC ni assembly man na minimum no send this person can so also the moto no what you say no meba so what you want to say
assembly members
what we
are they still using them?
Oh yes, they are using it.
Thank you.
Except NDC assemblyman be no what on it. Only the minimum so what you say but the rest are using it.
I was there I say if we man out saying kan say the one am kan say we the diabolical fine
so
akramaka ye ni kan fam fruits
yes
over 2000 vaccines AstraZeneca AstraZeneca 2000 and over
COVID-19
spy or china Akudu Northern region. What is wrong in Ghana here? Yeni komo. More 10 minutes.
Brother, answer na mokodo na mfa eche kasima etefa wote ni nde ya o ye che se from etefa wote ni ya bi. Me wiende mensa nso nche wa so ekogu. Nche won a waka won a wo bo medumedi okodo dodododo. Na me wiende minchi a oye efo na brother wo hi.
Michael.
Brother Michael of NBC. You also super apolum Mrs. Monica Baka, bless Nabaka, Lordina Baka, Tabaka, as well as Kimby Nabaka, and I should be in the yard. Mincha, Sister Madame Raya Avu, National Bundi Yabi, Sister Charles and Cook. Mincha, most of your spiritual father, Reverend William Danso, or Perecha International, one also. Mincha Milan Kwan, or friend Patrick Ahi, or Twin City in one nation. I say here and over. Maybe in the member issue at the one or the body. Said the Munson Senia that the oil has food. Then we ask ourselves there. It may fall to uncle. No, after to call you to uncle. I dare have a German and said, what's it? What's the man? What could a do the a lot of them have been aspiring products. Actually, even in here, when they do they need to be fight. People are there to work. The youth of today, no. Oh, if you reinvest, why they no more, and they don't get work to do. And I want someone to do in here. Get them out and bring people who are willing to work. Party tunnel. If you don't stop it, it will destroy this country within this shortest possible time. Under this NDC manual, I stand to be corrected. On will be some of our on what that.
Michael.
Yeah, Michael, yeah. I remember. I'm coming camp. Oh, stupid or no. It will be open. But if this issue is coming up, then sometimes you need to. And initial one. No. But the means I miss that. They move them on. Me,
power power.
I'm not disputing the power. Wow. But the question is the fact that people who are sure that the man will expire this time. Meanwhile, a true so expire are more dangerous than food.
Mr. Poison, expire a day. Ediane, and as a brew expire, they're poisonous. Now, poison so expire.
Dangerous.
You,
so also something. Why is this so? I want this. All pay no funds are where you airport. You need to come and trade. It have a time. No, be expire. When was the Eduno where ye? A day would there production. Have a time where you do. Not a time of expire. What are the expire duration? They have to study it. What would I laugh? But I tell them that the magic, it is good for human consumption.
And the bedroom Ghana is FDA approved.
So the question is, all these things no when to me would they do no within on the 16th of April that medicine was expired. I was saying that it's like a dream be there, why there? And then Sabina Sabi Erica any proof to us. I'm telling you the gospel. I can make it over the eye in Injili. Because I don't know it's that some people are not doing their work. What are we going to do?
Nipanso Tigana have share the authenticity and the manufacturing and the whatever of the medicine.
Oh, Sinasa. The Messana, again, one man said, Mayor, Mamban won't go the media. I need to be very careful. I need to be very careful. I'm telling you the gospel truth.
Who should be blamed on this?
The question is, the blame, what's her name? Sorcerer.
Niti. Blame with 2 4.
I blame Niti, no. You blame the head. I'm telling the gospel truth.
Not the tail.
Not the tail. Oh, Sinasa, and I believe strongly there. If indeed what you are saying, I still have a doubt. Unless I've seen it with my naked eyes.
And don't doubt it.
But it's true.
I'm not saying that it is not true.
Don't
I'm saying I have a doubt because it seems that some people have to do some work about it. And those people are not doing the work. And I didn't able to do the make potential. Then somebody have to sacrifice himself. And the way he did it.
Wow.
I would say, and the question is, Asimo baby ara.
Enya hankwa South Africa so de na obi dia mam sisi American yo. Eno so
ya Ghana ya Ghana.
Aha me say me kire say ade na ka say finish for ho ba no.
Chama ya ka.
Na I spy na.
Ya ni South Africa.
April ye nyina April no kram po ba bedru ye na say no cry spy. So everyone
ya ka Ghana.
Ya Ghana. Nipa he.
Ya Ghana na ya ka.
Nipa he. Ya ka Stravenica.
Ghana.
Ya ka Stravenica.
Also not region.
Dada. It is this over there. So we look at there. One now. Aside for come make this are all propaganda. I don't want to my one man money to pull. Yeah, they can. But sister, the miss that. Then those people who made a comment one. Then there might be a reason to that. You understand? I'm also believe that. Muntu menkan chobi muntu come to be there. Draw abi konako. Because this in some city, I did about April 26th. Was so if you play him because of free. Mama can't show the Maka and Maka. Until there obioni chobino, until free. And the bread every wabu. I will tell you the gospel truth. Free is good. I'm not saying it's not good. But the Biaramas on the catch on there. There's a Chinese proverb. I say, don't give me fish. Do not give me fish. I say, mama, but so next hour, wait, so that they balance in Yanama, I can go there and go. But it should be there all of the day. The angel free. I'm one man saying the made it was free. It was free. That be correct. I have free. No one now to scalp contract. Will you buy expire products? It doesn't make sense. But so be the juice or this or that. He doesn't care. You tell you something which has spoiled and you have nothing to do. But don't you look at it? Examine it to make sure that this one, the woman impact, the boy impact. They make sure they drop the other one or your panting. Yeah. What baby, and I should they draw on one. What I could be, what test room they do here. Panting and some say, you look at the baby when you're the blood, something. So people need to be very careful about these sort of things, and people they have stopped using it. It takes us something. Let's see, I should do all the better. So it's not about 2,000 of them have expired. But Ghana, they Saturday expired, brother. Come over from what born confounded.
Oh, but once I hear who nobody is going to apply. Nobody is going to be available. Now we are talking.
How many people are educated? I'm telling the gospel. And listen together.
So many people. Listen. What has no almost chimney from
listen there. So, brother, what do you want? What more?
Almost found you.
One can pay.
What's a young wounded?
Brother, one can pay some. One can pay.
The best anymore.
Oh, you don't know what
you're talking about. No matter
what. A dog, one channel. I don't call.
Let us say, nay. Is there any change?
The problem that we are having.
There is change.
What is change?
I say a crown.
Yeah, family. No, listen. And I'm saying that, brother, you are here. You hear it.
Nobody should dare Ghanaians say all the co-op. Nobody. Nobody.
Brother.
No, they shouldn't try. Hey, see.
Listen, Popo.
And whatever.
I cannot answer. I know. Listen. Listen.
All the way here and Comunca.
Oh, brother. Now, look at you. Obinma wompa. It can be possible. It can be possible. I can't be correct. It can be possible. Everybody will be back. Not no. I see next Friday in Yadiko. Of course, you don't want to hear me. Okay. It's actually different. The sense of that nature. All that you know, people are wise. Because how can they know that 2,000 out of a certain number have expired? It tells you that dress was not done in a day. It has a different date. I can't be right. All right. So if the 2,000 have expired, there's this one. If people will be one and I will be. What's the car will be? Over that will be. So you need to be very careful.
Okay, young comrade. That's it. I don't need Abedu. What are now so more? I'm 2%.
I'm anything there.
Oh, why? Because you are denting this image.
I'm in there.
It's a dent on this image.
I don't believe in.
No,
I
why
don't
don't you believe in anything he brings?
I don't believe in President Akufo-Addo. No, the Bibiaba. Che,
But you believe in JDM.
Chairman, che.
You are casting this image. Okay, what would it justify?
Mama
what you
Casa
say?
Michelle.
Justify it.
Sure.
I'm listening.
President can free SHS. Osha so all free SHS window no yende. Until by the time nkonye egwa no, we all believe them. No according yama that 2 years am here. But so now, look at the challenges Okodo the free education. So now
He has tried and he's still trying. So first time in the history of Ghana.
4 years in you.
A process or an event.
4 years in it's a process. I didn't know a process. You start with baby near the bank. I can't carry the body.
In a chance September 2017. What do you call them? Any event. You can see you really go ahead.
A good day, Chairman. Thank God there. Cargo plane they do the airport. In the visionary leader John Mahama. Now why airport expansion? Plane no ben. The plane was able to land on Ghana. So John one year them expansion airport. Can you fly? Can them flight in? If you go see baby.
Is the flight the only largest flight? Ghana.
Yes, the airport expansion we. But I could find the ben what the flight be fee, Qatar what the baby try share or ye juma.
None of capacity say.
No, this is a full saba.
No, they are for the banana.
Oh, capacity now, minimum capacity no.
Okay.
Minimum flight in
Okay.
capacity in the minimum. But was the Bema who would empire any airport is waiting for the largest flight other developed countries in into a change of mama one so expand the airport now because them flights in Bianca I'm going to pay the answer the car
before your mama expanded the airport near friend international airport
but no international but no do some certain international level
not flight is me friendly
no
do you remember
do certain international level
I got a border but already the only African woman what you the largest how many people that flight in how many people would we fly?
I'm missing
close to I think 900 or so.
No, make sure now. I mean, you know, I know school was South Africa. It's not or use South Africa.
Go ahead.
Ghana near no true the biggest flight or South Africa. Then I'm here. Into say, "Your mama money so I didn't." No flights in between you, but Jim. Chairman, what the can do in the bay? Yeah, young fanfare at airport. Be there with Tennessee. You're born canopy. You're flying from town. I saw for cohort, ministers cohort, president too, convoy cohort, they can welcome a Bruno for fair show. And I'm sure they can welcome a Bruno. Every hobby. And I will be. COVID-19 team that President Akufo-Addo for me, or hobby. Director General of Ghana Health Service or hobby. A kukudam, doctor say kukudam or hobby. You can welcome a vaccine. The vaccine of Ghana. The may be saying there. Upon all the parts in here to welcome the vaccine. Yentimina yan J vaccine. Na yan share the manufacturing date. Not only the expiry date now.
The rich man comes out more share. Na say Mr. Bakaka I say. Ni anyone expiry date. Be na do big akwa no. Date ni we anymore. And I will fetch.
Enti wo share.
You bet me akoba.
Edunu ba deben.
And that was March. Yeah.
Edunu ba March. Na ye wa month. Ye we
April.
Yeah. Exactly 1 month.
But all the drug did not come the same day.
Me come saba kamibo. Ni na lam be the same day. Na mayel kan the obe na wo share no. First one na wo share. Ta assuming there March did not be na wo share. March did not be na wo share. Because the president Babu will be. Wo share. But ni na po president ni de no po we na po mala po me hu ne du ne kara.
So akaso oso yini.
Anu po no ma ko wa fra. Anu po
ma de no mu kala.
Hold it.
It's your fun there. First one you share. Second one the answer. Actually, my president will be done here share. You the expiring date will be today. But my me need baba one day and one share. Chairman,
bra.
My more young who there. Or deliberate.
How?
I'm telling you the facts.
Deliberate as in what?
Deliberate as in there. Or you are falling in there.
It will be
Oil falling into
I don't agree with you.
Messi, it might happen deliberately because oil falling.
So you use the word might.
Oil falling.
If you say
oil falling. Who is the president to check the expiring date and then the manufacturing date? Ultimate check. But you can say President Abbo Bosia in fighting COVID-19. Ya loan, ya grants, even locally in Pono, ya man kofa contribute to support the COVID-19. May you be saying that the Missicana Yen Narano, Eben in Jumana, and Eben in Zaman presence, or that ye, or that Magana for COVID-19. Even the nurses in part, no, why your front line is in Pun, they were complaining about the PPs. We complain about the PPEs and we will use at the hospital to fight the COVID-19. The master of the America there, cylinder, go to our public schools. My join to our public schools in alcohol, COVID-19 in Yama, hand sanitizer, Veronica bucket, liquid soap, what in the minimum, go to our public schools. It be more, the minimum, it be you. But president in the Michigan Nara, where the money they are from Renaka Ghana or from Ghana for your home in COVID-19. The Michigan Nupono can able to purchase some of the vaccine for Ghanaians. The Michigan between Ponaka what to do with them Ghana for. But yet to obey my yet saying there was a COVID-19 fund down for me there. So now she
somebody about you.
What the Abba Jumana what the
year? Bra feeding in Kwa Crana.
The feeding one the whole done of video.
Bra light the chair in sweet.
Oh, Chairman. Chairman, I didn't yet. Even a greater Accra upon was so feeding upon. When feeding greater Accra as a regional. We're feeding some districts. Districts no feeding upon. I'm telling you there. Under even 4 districts in Pono feeding in Greater Accra. In Greater Accra. Even them feeding no feeding in Pono. Court prices are what they in Pono. No, so gender minister the price. No, so be the price. But my can there. You're the president Akufo. The other master make there. Presidency no. Oya gudo. Presidency oya gudo. When that grow.
No, how would you grow?
Oh yes, serious business.
Papa in grow. He's working.
The Molly ya, Eddie a whole president. A do that, but I come a do. No one from Bobo woman who banana. A do myself. And the dangerous aspect in point a do. Oka a week a do Basaya was said. Oh, you don't know. Say do a bit expert in our country. Even on start from 2 weeks a do by spy. Or a better day. Will be the middle system. When you system, but a drop of saying I'm watching. It's I say that they between them 2,000 that will be under 2,000. Between that war,
they won't try. They won't do it.
Chairman,
they won't do it.
Chairman,
Chairman, no more when you mean my don't was say about every never say William.
2,000 away who. No, it is more than 2,000, but what will be them? Why would be my market 2,000? Why would be my market 2,000? Into 2,000 I work on. Yet I am not so beautiful who the Mississippi pressure bishop or do will be in a Pocono or who you will break out the secret. But a cabana, what for?
No,
what for? No, I want to answer.
It could do health directory, no more air distributing.
Oh, Chairman, head directorates.
Uncle,
do want a head directorate. Head director, who is the director head? Who is the director general of Ghana Health Service? I never know appoint here. Dr. Siasari. Jomama no appointed Dr. Siasari. President no appointed Dr. Siasari. It's Nejumani then, Chairman. Nejumani then. It's my second of there, President Akufo and then the Vice President Baumia. They are joking in this country. A whole Vice President who chrome, baby Murphy, disaster bar. Come on, the ban. Come on, the ban keke. A denim, eleche di ban edeni me eleche vice president yi no damo oyi no damo say ni nyina wa say
e dey aduan no
na dem disaster no si won to vice president dey mo ka che di ban no say ya chairman no say ya mbisa no say ya
yen komra
this tells you there the president and the vice president are not serious at all.
Thank you. Yeah, that's it. Oda so shares 90.7 FM. Oja tana and was go 10 minutes into 2. Efoima yanko enim. AstraZeneca.
That's it. The Kamani said church for you. I'll come to the AstraZeneca drone. So you see your memo na opposition party are your the omnima you how to count bottles whenever there's an issue.
Bottles.
Yes, whenever there's an issue, you take time to educate them.
Okay, educate us.
Now, my main cousin Bako, or say he doesn't trust Nana Kufuado.
Yeah.
Simply because Nana can free SHS once. Now, or buy and boss warrior no bone to so. Omunya 27 years, Ghana form almost 27 years, and more rule Ghana. The last thing Omunya is almost a sanitary park, our secondary schools. But no crown was why you're proud of it. Okay. Ghana form behind this 27 years. I'm the better sanitary part our schools. So when serious people are ruling Ghana, when minded people are ruling Ghana, a lesser minded person should let you don't talk about it. Now, also young you see then this filing date. Or when this no was filing date, mean was filing date. The day God will call me, that is the day I have aspired on earth.
A lesser, was it lesser than?
No, me so or no NDC
that person.
Or no NDC.
It's very harsh.
Oh,
lesser minded person.
Is this the first time
on this show?
No. What's here the way or describe President Akufo-Addo?
I came in.
So meet or no, came in, I came with him. And to what came we in? So you move on.
Lesser minded person.
You see? And we are saying product Ben and then yes spelling date. Human beings who have a spelling date. What you are saying. Now, a drone from the World Health Organization, I have proved ya almost chairman nations, you know, and I Ghana one in you. Malawi for you, South Africa near if you are because you know Nigeria for you, and I'm a one. Good. Almost a drone Brian. Almost say a drone as I see you to me so a drone before 16th of April. Even document na can no validate no.
So why did you do it?
Remember what you did February? Yes, I didn't be spell April. And tell one na yes we reject ade na. And so reject ade na. The date, the manufacturing date on the product was February. And I'm say to last for more than 1 month.
Oh, but I saw October 2020.
October 2020.
You say no, you go back to so you can take one product. It's different from the one we are talking about expiring date.
Next is October 2020 the expire price.
Sir, maybe. Yeah, the man yes by April 16. Ne do na iden. I spy. And omo de ma wo no. Omo de ma wo no. Omo de abaije ye no. Oso we no onya mass vaccination number here. So omu group no region by region. Okay. So we are aware. And omu dey drone call e be ba omu started from Greater Accra and omu kwa Ashanti region and say na Nancy and ba Western region. So we are aware. And omu dey drone be call Northern region. Hoping say voluntary people will come and take the vaccine. E ko do Northern region no to say NDC ni ye ya o yan wo. And the drone ko form person be wo. I didn't so validate wo.
Is that what happened there?
Oh yes.
Okay.
People are not taking the vaccine.
Okay.
Drone wo ho. Validate wo ho. And to be wo na one me wo. Na ye hu say ade no e be spy na mo ye in charge no. Aka tell say drone we chinali ko no. Ye mfa wo obi abio because I aspire. How do you blame whoever is in charge? Na ke ye de drone ba. And na ke drone aspire. That is when you blame the authorities you deserve to blame. Because somebody I didn't ban na inspire and me no case kwa no I didn't inspire you. Ochina. And no ye in charge na catch law say China ye ntumi mfa wo bia because China na do na iden why inspire.
You call number 1.
Say I didn't inspire you.
Number 1.
I didn't inspire you.
Obi call na ye.
I said didn't come there one inspire me would say me call e bo me amage.
If we me to ehunu hu now. Saturday best spy 16th April. They will
omo anim dia na omo ya dia no Saturday na best spy fiada. And na ya wada. And na ya wada. Enti wo ya sam tro ni bi so wasam. Edo no as spy.
Kasa le to so.
Na bi ya no na yem atiefo.
15th and 16th I spy.
15th and 15 and spy.
Good, where you are no yenko.
Aha. Enti say obi ti baby ka say edo na as spy. Meanwhile, no, at time I date I didn't best and date no soon yet. Will be better say you premature ejaculation. Hey, what you say? I didn't know. Date one home ejaculation. Date one home. Date no what they know. Date no soon yet. No, I bet now radio so. A person blame mu abai. Enti kabai and for people date ni free one. Is that what you can hear person abai here? Obi okoto adebi asfali date wa de no. What waje ade no validate wo ho ena odi akwose ye nusu na mom edu sada we a ye nusu bio validate wo ho padani so onti ase entra ka ban ko paper validate ni mfiri ho na onfa wo Ghana fo mu say na go for kira na is that what we want sometimes ya memu ni egu sabi tafrache enye so afa nsu a wo no ya memu enti sa memu isu ba tina se na hwe die isu na sa mu do beka abaya kwaje ade eyo man ni na ya na aba na man ni na fight global e na abaya nya vaccine ya to date wo ho say e be spy e na omo mu ye in charge na aka kire o say ade chi asade we ye nusu bio because I spy na ya bet na do su ble mu aban anya say yes person unless you person catch them say ade ni ba match na yes e be spy mail April no na ke say aban stop ade no or are you trying to say I didn't buy match na him say best by April no by force ye chin for fan war what about na say because I didn't buy date wo ho obi am say date wo ho e na ban se yen wo e na obi bi say me nkowo so wan nkowo na de ni so na e be say na ban ya ka cho say de na e be say ade cha me fan wo obi abiom a problem be pan be say nya free wo
were they drawn an attention to it say I didn't be drew na mmewo
and to one to say yes, vaccine, meba, one to say yes, vaccine about the young cowo, one and 2 person can say, and drone about 3 days, a best one to be uncle. Is that what you want?
It should have been done.
Please,
it should have been done.
Please. That is not how you do things. And yes, now, yes,
Kumasi. Kumasi, any Accra. What to media house or how they room, Momo. What I'm a make boss.
Mami chiro. Omoye. Takra de so nsa takra de omo wo.
Wonu say bo odin on off.
Meba takra de so nsa.
So mo won say bo odin on off.
Adru never first one you say executive. Judiciary. And legislative. Ansa na ahemfo. And nam so poma John Mahama so ko wo obi. Ana meboa. Omo asisia in order. And the bedroom media houses so. And media also to an area. No wabo ade no mo hihye ye o mo hihye enti so o mo dia call region bi na na wo betumi ahihye ade no but you cannot force anybody to take the vaccine wo ka say do ba bi no Ghana fo na ye ka say be yesa ye be ya ka ye nhemra say by force nkofo nwo vaccine ade tia edu ba bi na nkofo person even list no my yourself from nkofo no food plan e bi mo so o mo nwo and emla bia so no wasa chinchina no chichire nipa no onye dey onwa duro no ade ade duro na ko region bi Ami Danny said, Echina obi in free of the region. Blemu obi say, Yadi vaccine ba ye no, ya fam blow. Okay. When Yadiaba, and no one so mungo, and a span yoko to agu. Me what you are saying. And a vaccine no, and yan the call no. What you are saying. No one can say, a best fine yadi call no. And yan the could do no the region. Okay. What you are saying. And no, obi to me free north. And man complaining. Because ye di brain and I also wo e bia 1-2 reasons no e bia one kowo and e wo ho and I dey no say nyase ye wo no ne ye twagum na ka obi pe wo ka so ade na 2000 no it means ye wo bi and ye twagum ana no we don't obi an call Ghana obi an wo produce me pat so that should tell you say I did be validate wo ho na say best fire say be tafrache wo blemu aban wo ho a no wakasa no me say
the government delayed.
Government delay no konya the commercial nkofo no fa bo by force.
No, by distribution.
Distribution time na dey but time the distribution is started.
Started that when about that.
I didn't receive the match na no started distribution.
Kumasi yene de, Accra yene de. I don't know how they delay.
And delay. What I can't say delay.
And delay as Kuma start out.
There be I didn't call Honolulu. Now Western region, that then start Western region. Remember Western region, so himself move. When himself Western region move. That been a buy. No, that been a Western region they buy.
That is my problem. I didn't bedroom, you know, that's a distribution, that's a disbursement again. Flight to
original basis.
And was that the right thing to do?
No. Yeah, because
no.
Oh.
Because the regional health director is now Western. You don't want to have.
No.
And share Ghana Health Service naka in their own wisdom. And nobody share too. And no much chair at the end.
Okay.
From here to here, because vast naba, now there's a doubt in the people's mind. So you have to do something before. As I said, we can observe how the thing is moving. You cannot just throw things into the system like that.
So what observing put the say?
Oh, no more I'm saying Obi War, you know. Me some people Mr. Beckham. Eka some say US, Obi War in a coso plot. Who say a babu kaya?
Wa mo kan say what is it?
I say for Obi say Europe fine. At the end of the day, no, what head for Babu Tibeka say, a seminar or more cano, and you know, but not come to say, me papa Beckham. Ebeka so omutis asem no Europe wo where he had ever clarify here but one can I don't know or no any choice so obeka the negative no eja the other side but at the end of the day no eduro no abedu and na eduro na wanye na nado no produce eduro no what you here yeah the product aba yes expiry date wo ho and expiry date card here no na expiry date card here na say we say adentina ade no ye nusu no by force then na me nti wase. Now, me push another one. I said, "Don't buy a Koyinwo airport. Now, a honeymoon na your own president. Your friend airport Mahama AirBM Mumibwa. William Casa 4-3 a year and now say friend Airbus. At a mist in 2010, Mahama the Kotoba or Kotoba or Kusini bedroom. Say airport no can was never once Mahama a Koto plane in the Bessie. At a mist man who can say some way. Maybe who can say at a mess some Mahama yes camp set to committee one no. Into all that now who cast mess we have Fraba or Ghana. Airport no honor. Yes, Mama Mahama Koto airplane friend at this water. So how can you take credit for it?
I was a master. I said, you can't say when I say, oh, you almost said, all tears here, I pray mature ejaculation.
Because
premature ejaculation.
Which one is
premature ejaculation? Yes, what the boy, yeah.